Hello, it's Bill Doggett. I'm an African American performing arts historian and early sound archivist with a notable collection of early sound recordings that document the African American presence in both popular recordings and in classical music. Today we're looking at the Black Swan label, a rare label that was a black-owned label operational during the Harlem Renaissance by a Mr. Pace and his Pace Phonograph Corporation. The Black Swan label mostly recorded popular music of the time, jazz and blues artists. However, Mr. Pace had a great love of classical music and supported the young, emerging African American concert singer, such as we see here, a wonderful singer, a C.CARROLL Clarke baritone, in the iconic NEGRO spiritual, Nobody Knows the Trouble I've Seen. He is accompanied by F. Hamilton Henderson Jr. Who is that? That is actually Fletcher Henderson, the very famous jazz arranger and band leader, swing band leader, who operated between the same time period, 1924 to about 1935, before he was hired as the principal arranger for the great Benny Goodman. So let's take a listen. This is very rare. These are not transferred to LP or CD to my knowledge, and they are mostly found in special collections archives at universities that are only accessible by PhD students or people doing books. So let's take a listen, and I'm happy to share from my archive.